Hi guys, well, what can I say? We've just hit 200 subscribers. I mean, wow, I wasn't expecting that at all. So yeah, I've got nothing planned. I'd never thought that the channel would get to 200 subscribers, but here we are. It seems like the repair videos I did on the Commodore 64s were quite popular. I don't know where to go from here, quite frankly. I know I did promise about getting the simple as possible computer done and the digital computer electronics book, working through that. I still plan to do that, but it's just finding the time. I have a small daughter now, and a lot of time is taken up there, especially at the weekends, because my wife has to work, so I look after the little one at the weekend. But I would hope to find time at some point, maybe when she's having a nap, and try to get some videos out. But I'd really like to hear what you'd like to see on the channel. I mean, I don't have currently the funds kicking about to try and trawl eBay for new Commodore 64s or broken Commodore 64s. So if anyone would like to donate one, I can try and fix it for them. But that's asking a lot. I was thinking about doing some Arduino stuff, so if you'd like to see that, just let me know. I've also got this thing over here. You can see it. This is a Japanese slot machine. There was a system I was working on in about 2005, doing parallel port bit banging to read this thing's registry board for how much it's paid out, how much it's taken in, stuff like that. And I was doing stuff on the computer, sort of programming I think it was C# to read the parallel port and keep records of everything. But now obviously everything's USB. So USB is quite simple. I've got a load of PIC 18Fs over there that can read USB, so I might do something with that. But yeah, let me know what you'd like to think. But thank you ever so much for subscribing. That's all I wanted to say, was a big thank you from myself. And yeah, I genuinely am shocked and surprised that it's hit 200. So yeah, just let me know what you want to do, what you'd like to see, some ideas, some suggestions, and I'll try and do whatever I can when I've got the time. But thank you so much for subscribing, and it's great to see comments. I try to reply to everybody. While the channel's still kind of small and it's only 200 subscribers, I can do that, and it's nice to interact with people as well. Great to see that you kind of stumbled across my little corner of YouTube. So yeah, thank you ever so much for subscribing, and I hope you stick around, and that's all I can think of to say. I'm kind of gobsmacked, really. But until the next time, until the next video, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Catch you later. Bye bye.